Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Violet and I'm super happy to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to be trying on all of the lashes from the LA Splash Cosmetics Lash Tease 3D Foam Ink Lashes 5-pair kit, and the collection is called Sinfully Angelic. Again, this is what the box looks like. These are all the pairs, so if you're excited to see them tried on, then go ahead and keep on watching and stay tuned till the very end to kind of hear a rundown of which lash impressed me, which lash didn't. And before I do get into the lash try-on, I just want to mention 3 quick things. One, I do like to try on all of my lashes with a bare face just to get a real clear look at the lash itself, because that's what the main focus is on. Second, I will leave a link of the haul down below of these lashes that I did mention in this video. And third, if you're curious on the tutorial on my face right now, I will leave a link down below for you guys as well. So now that we got that out of the way, let's get on to the video. So now that we tried on all of the lashes, which ones did you like? Which ones are you excited to see more of? Or which ones, did you pick up these? Anything? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear and see you down there as well. Not hear you, but I would love to hear your thoughts. Or at least read your thoughts. And also, I just want to quickly mention something that I discovered while reading the information on the back panel of this and kind of cross-referencing it from my collection, is that it says it's distributed by LA Splash Cosmetics. Nothing new. But it is a division of John Daveler Inc. So this little information right here is important to just kind of pinpoint, because I noticed that the other brand of lashes called Ioni that I have been hauling and finding and buying, they are the same division of the John Daveler Incorporation. So if some of these lash styles look very similar to some of the Ioni ones, that is probably why. Just want to mention that. Now let's get on to style number 1 that I did really get impressed by, that I was like, oh, I love this one. Based on my notes, that one is called Cassiel. I want to say it's the right word, and it's this one right here. So it's this third lash right here. It's called Cassiel, and I think that these are so pretty. I wrote that they are very similar of Bride's Revenge from the Wickedly Divine collection, except these are a little shorter. They go shorter to longer outer corner instead of all one length. So if the LA Splash Wickedly Divine collection goes up before this one, I will leave it linked down below. If not, stay tuned so you can kind of cross-reference the 2 lash styles as I mentioned them. And then style number 2 is called Seraphine, that I really liked, and that is this 4th lash right here. So it's really pretty. It's like wispy, kind of long, gorgeous. So this one doesn't have a cross-reference to my Ioni lashes. But lash number 3 that impressed me is called Hadraniel. I'm butchering these names. It's this last pair on the box. And this one, I don't think I cross-referenced as well. I think it was probably just the other collection, but anyways. And then the fourth style that I was like, okay, I kind of liked it. It's called Divinity, and it's this second pair right here. And of course, that means that this first pair right here is lash number 5, that I did not care anything about, of course, because it is like the most like natural, simple, delicate lash in the entire collection. I'm just not really a fan of really sparse, thin looking lashes, or like more of the natural style. I tend to go for a little more fuller, dramatic, thicker lashes. I don't know, I feel like that's just my personal style and it looks better on me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please leave a comment down below. I would love to see you there. And as always, I will see you in my next video. So have a great rest of your day and or week. Bye bye guys. If you would like to watch my previous video or be directed to the channel, click the links on your screen.